Hi, this is Varun and you're watching Mr. Productivity. In this video, I'll show you how you can use ChatGPT for the first time. Open your web browser. In the search box, search for OpenAI and then click on the first link, that is openai.com. And then you will have this website. On the top, click on Introducing ChatGPT Release. Click on that. And then click on Sign Up. So I'm going to sign up with my Google account and I'll see you in the other side. I'm sure you have made it so far and we are in the interface of ChatGPT. In the left hand side, you can create a new chat and from here you can choose the mode light and dark mode. ChatGPT can actually remember what you said and ChatGPT can be trained also. So let me show you an example. Let's say I want ChatGPT to write a birthday message for my wife. So my command will be write a birthday message for my wife. Then I will give ChatGPT some hints about my wife. All right, stop generating. Let me edit this. This will provide some personal touch. We met 8 years ago and I love her. I will be with her forever. Then let's generate. As you can see, ChatGPT wrote a perfect birthday message for my wife. In the left side, you can rename the chat or you can also delete the chat and the chat will be deleted. So you can actually train ChatGPT and let me know in the comment section how ChatGPT is changing your life. See you in the next video. If you liked this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you so much.